The second piece of assessment in this unit is workplace analysis and application, and we're offering you two options about the approach to this task. The first approach enables you to apply an aspect of unit learning immediately, and the second enables you to apply the learning to your workplace project development. Now, whichever approach you take, we want you to identify ways in which you can apply relevant principles about managing yourself and others to your workplace. The first option is to identify an area from your unit study that you can discuss, apply and evaluate in the context of your own workplace. For example, you might identify a need, an opportunity, or a benefit in applying some principles related to managing teams, strengths-based development, coaching, hard conversations, or mentoring relationships. Your discussion should describe and analyse the relevance of the aspect of managing self and others to your team and/or your organisational situation. You then need to outline a plan for how to collaboratively address the issue that you've identified and how to take into account diverse social and cultural contexts. Then you'll implement your identified plan or an initial part of it if the time frame doesn't permit full implementation, and evaluate what was successful as well as the limitations of the approach you took. Finally, you'll summarise the lessons learned from your approach and how this might have influenced your own development. The second option that you can take is similar, but it gives you the opportunity to more directly apply the unit learning to your developing workplace project idea. If you take this approach, you'll describe your workplace project idea and the reason you see it as having public value. You'll then need to outline your plan for how you can develop your project, including how you'll collaborate, influence, and build support for the project, and how your approach will take into account diverse social and cultural context. Now, this is where you'll particularly need to show evidence of unit learning application. Then discuss the progress you've made and the principles you've applied and noticed related to the unit content. Finally, you'll discuss key experiences, including setbacks and breakthroughs, to highlight the lessons you've learned and how they inform your understanding of managing yourself and others, particularly as they're relevant to your own development. You should start thinking about possible approaches to this second piece of assessment during the workshop and take some time to discuss your ideas with colleagues. Each approach is designed to help support your application of learning, and each offers its own challenges and opportunities for making the most of the unit. Be sure to check out the assessment summary on Blackboard and the CRA for guidance on the aspects being addressed.